This is our third video in this series of A to Z wildlife videos. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60-70 miles per hour, 97-113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, covering distances up to 1,500 feet, 460 meters. Their primary prey consists of small to medium-sized ungulates, like gazelles and impalas. Despite their incredible speed, cheetahs have low stamina and can only maintain a high-speed chase for about 20-30 seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Save Wildlife.